Along with the full suite of milling capabilities, Fusion 360 also includes turning operations to support your shop in every capacity. Leverage the feature-rich CAD environment to set up jobs quickly and program quickly too. Cut past the center to eliminate the need for post-processing small nubs for more tools. Select geometry directly off the model, simplifying toolpath creation and helping you get the right toolpath the first time. Roughing options like pecking and profiling and grooving help reduce tool wear and manage chips and stringy materials. Rest machining ensures you can use the right tool for the job without wasting time cutting air where material was already removed. When finishing, ensure parts are to size with wear compensation built into each toolpath. Advanced users will be happy to know Fusion 360 also includes support for B-axis machines, multiple turrets, and multiple spindles, so you can leverage all the capabilities of your machine. Verify turning toolpaths with a powerful and dynamic stock simulation to detect any potential gouges or collisions well before the code is posted. All this and more in Fusion 360.